E aí pessoal, como é que vocês estão? Tudo bem? Hoje nós estamos em Pilar do Sul, viemos aqui gravar uma cavalgada. David foi convidado, a gente foi convidado aí. E a gente veio aí pra registrar esses belos momentos aí. Hoje é aniversário de Pilar do Sul. Olha aí o pessoal, já tá indo pra lá, ó. Olha lá. Dona Ivone na filmagem, vamos ver se não tremeu muito
tô
depois.
Tremendo feito tubarão verde.
Vambora.
Ai, gente, olha que legal.
Vamos que vamos registrar a galera aí. Ó, o cara tá pilotando e bebendo.
Muito legal, né?
Se beber não cavalgue.
Legal demais.
Da moto ali já.
Aí pessoal, vamos lá.
Filma essa gata de rosa aí, ó.
Se beber não cavalgue, hein?
Top, né?
Desce a lenha.
Dá um tchauzinho aí. Aê.
Vamos dar a volta aqui. Eles vão dar a volta aqui, vai subir de novo lá pra lá, né?
Depois vai embora daí.
Eu sou roceiro, com muito orgulho do interior.
Eu querendo.
tá na técnica.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on. I know that we got a lot of the same friends, and soon enough there come a weekend when we just not bring it up. Yeah, maybe I'm weak, but it's taking too long to get over you. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care. And hiding from the truth would've got me nowhere. 'Cause I'm not ready to need you again, but I need you again. I'll be funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that. And I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same this time. Tell me, can people really get a fresh start? Should I be more careful with my heart? I'm treading carefully. Crazy how something can scar you so deep, but you fall right back. I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know. This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment that our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You escaped from not knowing, but I got a feeling that I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight, tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanting, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life speed till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Know that I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could find the